Hello friends, welcome back to my class. That is concept by Pandey sir, and we are dealing about engineering graphics. So we are having series of classes for this engineering graphics. In the previous class, we have dealt basic concept of engineering graphics, instrument required for engineering graphics, different types of pencils, dimensions, lettering. Today we shall discuss about arrow. See, for any graphics or any drawing we require dimensioning. So let's take an example now. If this is my wall, now I have to write its dimension. So what should be my dimension and how to write? Okay, now see, this is arrow. So we'll be dealing about these arrows. How to write arrows. Now, arrow plays a vital role in your drawing that gives a good appearance. So arrows can be drawn in two ways. The first way is a opened one, and second one is a closed one, or it is filled arrows. But see, it has point. Both the arrows has some point. So whenever you draw arrow, there should be a point. There is a specific formula or specific ratio for this length. So if this is the length of this arrow, then this would be its width of the arrow. So what should be its ratio? So the ratio of is 3:1. So the ratio of length is to width of an arrow would be 3:1, or we can say 3x is to x. It means that if the length of the arrow is 3 unit, then its width should be of 1 unit. But if your drawing sheet is big, you can do like multiply 3:1 with 2. You'll be getting 6:2. But still, if you see, the ratio is 3:1. So always try to maintain the ratio 3:1. Now, so that is about arrow. Next, whenever you write arrow or the dimension, see that this length is not more than 10 mm. This length means from here to here, this arrow, head of the arrow, do not exceed more than 10 mm. And after arrow, this excess length do not exceed more than 3 mm. See, these are basics in engineering graphics. You should remember it, because initially I told you engineering graphics is nothing but a language of an engineer. So you are an engineer, you should know the basic language. And remember, in engineering graphics, nothing is permanent, nothing is constant, nothing is fixed. Now, for example, if I say not more than 10, it could be even 9, it could be even 8, but do not exceed 10. So it depends on the size of the worksheet. If you are using A0 worksheet, okay, now see me the dimension of A0. Anyone think what is the dimension of A0 worksheet? 841 by 1189. For A4, 210 by 297. All are in mm. If you want more about this dimension, please go back and see my first lecture on engineering graphics. So this is all about arrows. You could either follow this one or this one, but if you follow this one, it gives good appearance. Okay, next, way to write. See, either you can, for this one, let's take another example. This is my wall, as I told initially. So here I have put, so I could either make it solid, or I could either leave this way. and write in between like 10. Now in this way also, or I could make it total solid and write here 10. So it depends which one your lecturer or your faculty or the professor who's dealing is saying, that you can follow and see that the ratio of the arrow is always is to 1. Try to follow that one and stay tuned for my next class. In the next class I'll be dealing about scale, which is very important. So what is a scale, types of scale, so that we'll be dealing in the next class. Stay tuned for my next class, and please subscribe my channel, like and comment. Any doubt, please comment. I'll try to help you out. Thank you and stay tuned for my class.